Bitcoin claws back 4.1% this week as MACD flips bullish. But fear grips the market at 28. Good day, investors, and welcome to Aurelian Wealth. The total crypto market is treading water today, with Bitcoin anchoring at 65,087 and a dominant market cap of $1.31 trillion. BTC leads sentiment with a solid 4.1% weekly gain, while Ethereum trades at 1,887.73. But caution reigns. The Fear and Greed Index sits at just 28, deep in fear territory. Let's dig into the charts. Bitcoin is priced at 65,287, down a modest 0.4% on the day, but up a healthy 4.1% over the week. The RSI 14 reads 49.5, squarely neutral, meaning neither buyers nor sellers hold decisive control. More encouraging is the MACD at 2687, sitting above its signal line of 86.98, producing a bullish histogram of 59.92, a sign momentum is shifting upward. Watch key support at 62,038 on the 7-day and resistance at 66,956. Traders eyeing longs should consider a stop loss just beneath the 3-day support near $64,150 to manage downside risk. Not financial advice. DYOR. Ethereum trades at shown 87.3, slipping 1.5% in the last 24 hours, but up 3.5% over the week. Its RSI 14 of 47.1 signals neutral conditions with a slight bearish lean, while the MACD at 6.0 yen rests above its signal line of 9.5, delivering a bullish histogram of plus 2.96. Key support holds at Gintoren H3 with resistance capping gains at 119.56. A protective stop loss below the 3-day support near $1,860 would help contain risk if momentum fades. Not financial advice. DYOR. Among the top 5, stablecoins Tether and USDC remain rock steady at $1, with market caps of $184 billion and $72.9 billion respectively, reflecting sideline capital waiting on the fence. BNB is the notable laggard, trading at 567.87, essentially flat with a 0.2% daily dip and a marginal 0.1% weekly loss. With Bitcoin's 4.1% weekly climb outpacing the pack, BTC remains the clear relative strength leader, while altcoins consolidate quietly. Today's trending tickers are PONS, Pudgy Penguins, and DEX. Pudgy Penguins continues riding NFT community momentum and brand expansion that keeps retail attention high. DEX is drawing DeFi governance enthusiasts, while PONS captures speculative flows from traders hunting the next breakout. Remember, trending tokens carry outsized volatility and thin liquidity. Position sizing and strict risk management are essential before chasing hype. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index reads 28 out of 100, firmly in fear territory, a sign investors remain cautious and selling pressure stays elevated. Historically, deep fear zones can precede accumulation opportunities for the patient. On the on-chain front, whale trackers report no major Bitcoin transfers above 1 million in the last 24 hours. That quiet whale activity suggests large holders are sitting tight, consistent with a market in consolidation rather than panic. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, Bitcoin bulls need to reclaim resistance at 66.56 to confirm the bullish MACD flip, while defending support at 62,038 is critical to avoid deeper downside. Ethereum's battleground sits between DES803 support and 19,956 resistance. With the Fear and Greed Index at 28, macro caution persists. Keep an eye on the dollar, equities, and Fed commentary. Trade smaller, use stops, and don't over-leverage in a fear-driven tape. Not financial advice. Dior. Here's today's Bitcoin setup. A long position with an entry at 65,087, a stop loss at 64,326.75, and a take profit target of 66,621.37, giving a risk-reward ratio of 1.1.4. The rationale rests on the bullish MACD histogram of plus 59.9, showing momentum turning up as price sits above its signal line, while the neutral RSI of 49.5 leaves ample room to run before overbought conditions. This is a momentum continuation play targeting a move toward 7-day resistance, not financial advice. DYOR. For Ethereum, we're eyeing along with an entry at GAO 187.73, a stop loss at 1,850.37, and a take profit at 1,946.67, a favorable risk-J reward of 1.1.6. The setup is supported by a bullish MACD histogram of plus 2.ix, indicating recovering upside momentum, while the RSI of 47.1 remains neutral with breathing room before resistance. The target sits just below the $1,956 ceiling, and the stop protects capital beneath the 3-day support. Not financial advice. DYOR. If today's breakdown added value, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for daily crypto recaps, technical analysis, and whale alerts from Aurelian Wealth.